Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the lesson, excretory system in humans. Excretory system in humans. In humans. Excretory system in humans and transportation in plants. Okay, first one, excretory system in humans. The excretory system, the parts consist of, first one is two pair of kidney. Two pair of kidney. Second one, this one also, what ma? Urethra. What is mean? These two are known as ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Parts of the human excretory system is, first one is start with the kidney, and this one urethra. This one ureter, ureters. This one urinary bladder. Two pair of kidney, two pair of ureters and urinary bladder, and last one is the urethra. Urethra is last in opening. Okay, in the come out of the outside got the urine. Okay, children. This one is the arteries. The arteries, narambu. This one the veins are, this narambu pogudha, narambu. This one arteries. Okay, arteries and veins are connected in the two kidneys. Okay, amma blood circulate agradhu, blood veliyethapadradhu. Okay, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Okay, children. Okay, first one is the two pair of kidney. First part is kidney. How many pair of kidney ma? Two, one pair of two pair of kidney. One, two pair of kidney. This kidney is, right side kidney is just larger than the left kidney. Okay, the kidney is dark red. What color ma? Dark red. Dark red, bean shape. What shape? Bean shape. Organs present in the shape dark red. Kidney is dark red, bean shape, organs present just below the diaphragm, against the, just below the diaphragm, against the what ma? Against the back wall of the abdominal cavity. Against the back wall of abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity or abdominal cavity kidneys. It is found in the kidneys. Kidneys. Okay, amma. Kidneys are protected by the. Second point, the kidneys are protected by the. Ribs by the last two ribs and left kidney. Left kidney is just another. Which one is the bigger than the which one kidney? Right kidney. The konjam pedsa, the konjam slightly konjam bigger. Which kidney? In the right kidney. Okay, yeah. Kidneys are protected by the last two ribs. And left kidney is a last two ribs, and left kidney is a enamma is a little higher than the right kidney. இதில் வந்து இந்த கிட்னியில் வந்து நம்பராஸ் லார்ஜ் என்னதுமா நிறைய நம்பராஸ் லார்ஜ் என்னது மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் காயில் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் தெரியாது பார்க்குறதுக்கு மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் சும்மா ஒன்லி சி த மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் காயில் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் த என்னம்மா நெஃப்ரான். ஓகேயா, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னம்மா நம்பராஸ் என்னது நம்பராஸ் மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் coil microscopic structure is coil shape, coil structure is known as what ma nephron, NEPHRON. இந்த coil is known as the nephron. Kidney வந்து parts வந்து நம்ம kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The kidney is how many? Dark red bean shaped. What shape? Dark red bean shaped. Organ present just below the diaphragm, against the back wall of abdominal cavities are kidneys. Okay, kidneys. Okay, kidneys are protected by the last two ribs or rib cage irukilla adula last two ribs. Left kidney is little higher than the right kidney. Numerous microscopic coil structure, it is found in the numerous microscopic coil structure is known as the what ma coil is known as the what nephron. The coil is known as the nephron. Okay, next one is the what ma ureters. One pair of ureters pair rendu irukku, pair of ureters, ureters. Ureters, muscles and tubular structure. Ureters is the muscles and tubular structure. Tubular structures which arise from kidneys and open in which one? Ma? Urinary bladder, which arise from kidney and open in the urinary bladder, in the arise in urinary bladder. Idhula vandu attach aayirukku kidney to which one ma? In the urinary bladder, open in the urinary bladder. Urine from enga varudhu? Urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Idu veliye varu, idu veliye ureters veliye come to pass through which side? Inga varudhu in the urinary bladder. Okay, next one is the what ma? Urinary bladder. This is the what shape ma? P shape. This is the P shape. What shape? This is pear shape. What like structure? Sac like structure. It is pear shape, sac, which is situated in the pelvic region of the abdominal cavity. This region, pelvic region of abdominal cavity. Which one is found ma? In the urinary bladder. It is the pear shape, sac, sac-like structure. Okay, yeah. It is situated in the pelvic region of the abdominal cavity and attached to the இதற்கு எதோட அட்டாச் ஆயிருக்கு? attached to the இது கூடமா attached to the ureters. எது இங்க பாரு, it is attached to the ureters. இங்க பாரு இதுல வந்து எதுவும் அட்டாச் ஆயிருக்கு, attach the ureters also. The urine வந்து how many liters of urine was secreted in the sac? கொஞ்சம் 0.5 liters to how many liter? 1 liter of urine. 1 liter of urine is எங்க ஸ்டோர் ஆகுது? in the urinary bladder. 0.5 to 1 liter of urine is stored in the urinary bladder. How many liter? 0.5 to 1 liter of urine stored in the which one? In the urinary bladder. Urine store. Okay, yeah. Next one is the urethra. Last part in the urethra. This one is the urethra. Next one, the urethra is the start from the start agudhu. Urethra is start from the neck of the urinary bladder. Neck of the urinary bladder. Urethra is start with the neck of the urinary bladder. Urethra is the starts from the neck of the urinary bladder and leads to the neck of the urinary bladder and leads to the it is leads to the in the by the extensing which one? In the urinary bladder. இதோட சேர்ந்து இது வந்து எதாகுது? the start from the neck of the urinary bladder. ஓகேயா? leads to the exterior by the urinary bladder. Last one what ma? Next என்னது? In the urine. Next one is the urine. Okay, kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Last what ma? Urine. Urine is the என்னது ma? First nitrogenous waste product. Okay, urine. Nitrogenous waste product. இதெல்லாம் mix ஆயிருக்க முதல்ல ammonia with urea. Okay, ammonia with urea. Okay, first nitrogenous waste product. Nitrogenous what's ma? Waste to be formed from the break or breakdown of, formed by the breakdown of protein. என்ன வருதுப்பா? என்ன which one come? Breakdown இதாகுது. urine nitrogenous waste is the breakdown of protein in ammonia is the highly toxic. Ammonia, protein in ammonia. In ammonia, highly toxic substance. Okay, highly toxic. Okay, children, toxic. Okay, chemical urea is excreted from. Next and the chemical urea ammonia la idagi enna agudhu? Chemical edu? Chemical fertilizer da. The urea is excreted from the urea is chemical mari chemical urea is excreted from our body in the form of excreted from our body. The urine is what color ma? Yellowish Yellow is என்ன color? Yellow is color. Pale yellow is color. The urine is what color? In the form of the urine is pale yellow in color. Pale yellow, yellowish. Okay, amma, yellowish in color. This only the structure of a excretory structure of a kidney. Okay, kidney structure. First kidney, ureter and urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney is the a pair of kidney, two kidney. It is the what shade? What color? Reddish color. Dark red. Sorry, dark red color. Dark red color. And then red. What shape? Bean shaped. Okay, organ present just below the diaphragm against the back wall of the abdominal cavity. Okay, children. Next one is the ureter. Okay, ureter is the tubular structure. A pair of tubular structure is known as the ureter. Okay, and next the ureter is formed joined in the urinary bladder. Next one is the urinary bladder. Is the pear-shaped sac which is situated at the pelvic region of the abdominal cavity. Pelvic region. This side have a pelvic region. Is the abdominal cavity attached to the which one? Ureters. Attach. How many liters of urine is stored in the urinary bladder? In the 0.5 to 1 liter of urine. Okay, yeah. Next one is the urethra. Urethra starts from the neck of the urinary bladder. Neck of the urinary bladder at our leads to exterior by the urinary bladder. Next one and the last one, the urine. First nitrogenous waste to be found in the breakdown of the protein in ammonia, highly toxic. Chemically change urea is excreted from our body. The urine is what color? Pale yellowish in color. Okay, children. Next one, transportation in plants. Okay, transportation in plants. Transportation in plants, roots take in water and minerals from the soil. Minerals from the soil to transport to the absorb the root lende soil root enna pannudhu water ayum minerals ayum absorb panni through the other parts, all the parts of the body. First go to from the leaves, all parts of the body. The leaves enna pannudhu, leaves take the sunlight also and prepare the photosynthesis. It is plants prepared for the food prepare பண்ணது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Photosynthesis ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, children. Next one, transportation of water and mineral. Transportation of water and minerals. Root enna pannuma? Absorb the enna pannudhu? Plants extracts water and minerals from the soil through the roots. Eduvaliya root absorb the soil minerals and water from the soil through the root. The H2O, the water and the minerals dissolved in special or pipe-like structure in the plant xylem and phloem to vascular tissues. Xylem and phloem to vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem. This is xylem it dissolve, it move in the pipe-like structure. Which transport the water and minerals transport. This one phloem transport the food. transport the food, phloem tissue. Okay, the transport of water and minerals ki important tissue on the pipe-like one structure is known as the xylem. Another one phloem is the food. Food is transport the food to the all the parts of the plant. Okay, it plants extract water and minerals from the soil through the roots. The H2O and mineral dissolved in it moves in special pipe-like structure is now present in the part of the xylem. Next one is the transportation of food. With the movement of the food from leaves to other parts of the plant is called the transculation. அது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Transculation சொல்லுவோம். என்ன செய்யும்? ஒரு பார்ட்ல இருந்து which one is the take the food in the phloem tissue. The phloem tissue take the food and to transport the all the parts of the plant ஓட எல்லா பார்ட்ஸ்க்கும் கடத்தி விடுது to other parts of the plant. இதுதான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Transculation. Okay, this process in plant tissues, phloem transculates food and other substances, other பொருட்களையும் ஃபுட்டையும் which one is transport in the which one ma in the phloem cell, phloem tissue, not cell, phloem tissues. Next one is the disposal of waste material in plant. Plants la irundhu varudha disposal of waste material. What are the waste material? Plants எதை எடுக்குது? Loss in oxygen தான் வெளிவிடுது. In the during prepare the food, that time you take the gas in the carbon dioxide and given out the oxygen. The only night time you breathe through the eduma oxygen. Okay, breathe பண்ணுது. எது வெளியே? The respiratory organ of stomata. Respiratory organ என்னது? அதுக்கு stomata இருக்கு. Two god cells வச்சிருக்குல்ல, in the upper surface of the leaves ல இருக்கும் stomata. It is the respiratory organ. Okay, water also losses of water transpiration பண்ணதுக்கு which one? In the stomata. Okay, plants loss oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. First point is disposal of waste material. It is lost the oxygen during the photosynthesis time la தேவையில்லாத இதை என்ன பண்ணுது? வெளியேற்றுது. இதை ஆக்சிஜன், அதுக்கு வேஸ்ட் போல plants ஓடது. The plants lost water through the process of photosynthesis. The water loss பண்ணுறது oxygen during process of photosynthesis time லையும் loss ஆகுது. The loss of water through the photosynthesis time, water and oxygen loss பண்ணுது. அது இது தவிர எக்ஸ்ட்ரா எந்த பிளான்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு? பைன், ரப்பர் ட்ரீ, யூகாலிப்டஸ் ஆர் ரிலீஸ் டாக்ஸிக் வேஸ்ட். எதெல்லாம் வெளியேற்றுது? டாக்ஸிக் சப்ஸ்டன்சஸ். இந்த வேஸ்ட் வந்து அதில் உள்ள வேஸ்ட் எந்த ட்ரீ? பைன் ட்ரீ, ரப்பர் ட்ரீ அண்ட் யூகாலிப்டஸ் ட்ரீஸ் ஆர் ரிலீஸ் டாக்ஸிக் வேஸ்ட் in the form of oil, resin and gum. இதெல்லாம் வந்து which one உடைய toxic waste in the pine, rubber, eucalyptus also. But it is refers the loss of water vapor in the transpiration. நமக்கு வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? இந்த excretory waste அந்த ஸ்கின்ல இருந்து இது வெளியே ஒரு ஸ்வெட் வருது மாதிரி தான் இது வியர்வை வருது இல்லப்பா, அந்த மாதிரி தான் it refers the loss of water vapor வெளியேற்றுது. waste ஆட்டு வெளியேற்றுது இது stomata through the leaves. Transpiration, the leaves இதை நீராவி போக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல. அதை வெளியேற்றுக்கிறது தான் இது இந்த one waste material in the plants. Okay, the evaporation of water create suction in the pull. இது வந்து this heading வந்து நம்ம transpiration in the plants only loss of water தான் என்னது? Transpiration. It refers to the loss of water vapor from the plant through the stomata of the leaves only transpiration take place. Okay, the evaporation of water creates suction pull similar to be one created by us while drinking using a straw like structure. Okay, this is the எதை சொல்லுவோம்? அதை transpiration pullன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, the evaporation of water creates suction pull similar to be one created by us while drinking using straw. இதை என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? The transpiration pull. This pulls water from the xylem. This pulls water from the minerals and water are transport the tissues which one? In the xylem. Food வந்து which one ma? Phloem. Okay, the transpiration pull water from the xylem cells to great heights of tall trees. இது என்ன பண்ணுது, the transpiration water pull பண்ணுது xylem cell to great heights of tall trees also என்னது இந்த transpiration pull, ஓகேயா, it is water வெளிப்படுத்துது, வெளியேற்றுது, ஓகேயா, இந்த transpiration from the xylem cell to great heights of tall tree. Next one is the what ma signification of transpiration. Transpiration க்கு signification என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க, signification use signification advantages என்ன signification, it transport எதை transport பண்ணுது, it transport water and dissolved minerals, it transports water and dissolved minerals dissolved the minerals dissolved mineral from the soil, okay, from the soil throw out of the plant, from the soil throw out of the plant, throw out of the plant. Next one என்னமா, it also keeps the plants cool, குளிர்ச்சியா வச்சுக்கிறது. it also எது நடைபெறறதுனால, transpiration நடைபெறறதுனால என்ன நடக்குது, it transports water dissolved mineral from the soil throughout of the plant. Next one what பண்ணுது, the plant keeps the plant cool, ஓகேயா, it also keeps the plant என்ன இருக்கு, எப்படி இருக்குப்பா, cool ஆக்கிது. it is also called it also keep plants cool. Okay children, it's only transpiration, signification of transpiration. Okay children, thank you ma.